Welcome, friends, to Medicare Tales Marshmallows, our fictitious, one-of-a-kind podcast series where we shoot the breeze about all things Medicare while imagining that we're sitting by the fire roasting marshmallows. On each episode, we'll chat with everyday heroes trying to figure out their Medicare journey without losing their minds or their sense of humor. I'm your host, Kim the Curious, part-time podcaster, full-time overthinker, or she with many questions. Our series will feature guests with stories about Medicare Advantage and Medigap, aka Medicare Supplement, so you can hear from them directly and hopefully help inform your own decisions. The stories will make you want to laugh out loud, cry, scream, and eat your feelings with marshmallows all at the same time. So go ahead and stock up, grab some marshmallows, and join us around the fire.